Now, this is chapter number 12, 12.7. Here we will discuss fundamental concept in case of organic reaction mechanism. Fundamental concept in case of organic chemical. Here we can say that reagent. Clear? In case of fundamental concept, normally what will happen? In an organic reaction, the organic molecule also referred as substrate. Clear? In an organic reaction, the organic molecule also referred as substrate react with appropriate attacking reagent. Appropriate attacking reagent and leads to the formation of one or more intermediate and finally product. Clear? In an organic reaction, the organic molecule also referred as substrate react with appropriate attacking reagent and leads to the formation of one or more intermediate and finally product. General reaction is depicted as follows. This is general reaction. See, तो this is organic molecule और इसी को बोलते हैं substrate और reactant. यहाँ अटैकिंग रिएजेंट आएगा और ये आपका प्रोडक्ट बाई प्रोडक्ट इंटरमीडिएट, मतलब सबस्ट्रेट और प्रोडक्ट के बीच में जो भी आता है उसको इंटरमीडिएट बोलते हैं. प्रोडक्ट के साथ जो बचा हुआ है उसको बोलते हैं बाई प्रोडक्ट. क्लियर? तो नाउ सबस्ट्रेट इज दैट रिएक्टेंट विच सप्लाइज कार्बन टू द न्यू बॉन्ड एंड अदर रिएक्टेंट इज कॉल्ड रिएजेंट. तो सबस्ट्रेट क्या होता है? सबस्ट्रेट इज दैट रिएक्टेंट विच सप्लाइज कार्बन टू द न्यू बॉन्ड एंड द अदर रिएक्टेंट इज कॉल्ड रिएजेंट. तो रिएजेंट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. इफ बोथ द रिएक्टेंट सप्लाई कार्बन टू द न्यू बॉन्ड then choice is arbitrary, and in that case the molecule on which attention is focused is known as substrate. So what is substrate? In another language we can say that substrate is reactant. Clear? In such a reaction covalent bond between two carbon atom or a carbon and some other atom is broken and a new bond is formed. In such a reaction, a covalent bond between two carbon atom or a carbon and some other atom is broken and a new bond is formed. Clear? The sequential account of each step describing detail of electron movement, energy during bond cleavage and bond formation, and the rate मतलब होता है speed, rate of transformation of reactant into product, so that is kinetic, is referred to as reaction mechanism. So this is normally known as reaction mechanism. So what is reaction mechanism? So mechanism मतलब step wise conversion of any reactant into product. Step wise conversion of any reactant into product is nothing but it is normally known as mechanism. Step wise conversion of any reactant into product is nothing but it is normally known as mechanism. The knowledge of reaction mechanism helps in understanding the reactivity of organic compound and in planning strategy for their synthesis. Clear? So what is importance of mechanism? So with the help of mechanism we can find out here strategy with the help of which we can convert maximum reactant into product. Clear? So this is complete information of fundamental concept in organic reaction mechanism. देखो ये टॉपिक पे आपको क्या होना चाहिए? सबस्ट्रेट किसको बोलते हैं, प्रोडक्ट किसको बोलते हैं, बाई प्रोडक्ट, इंटरमीडिएट, अटैकिंग रिएजेंट, बस इतना आना चाहिए. और यहाँ पे एक ऑर्गेनिक का वर्ड है मैकेनिज्म. मैकेनिज्म का मतलब होता है स्टेप वाइज कन्वर्जन ऑफ एनी रिएक्टेंट इनटू प्रोडक्ट. स्टेप वाइज कन्वर्जन ऑफ एनी रिएक्टेंट इनटू प्रोडक्ट इज नोन एज मैकेनिज्म. क्लियर? चलो So whenever we are starting any chemical reaction, then which type of change will take place? So whenever we are starting any chemical reaction, then which type of change will take place? It can be explained with the help of cleavage of bond. It can be explained with the help of cleavage of bond. Clear? The covalent bond can be cleaved either by heterolytically or homolytic cleavage. A covalent bond can be cleaved either by heterolytic or homolytic cleavage. Clear? In case of heterolytic cleavage, the bond breaks in such a fashion that shared pair of electron remain with one of the fragments. Shared pair of electron remain with one of the fragments. Clear? In heterolytic cleavage, the bond breaks in such a fashion that the shared pair of electron remain with one of the fragment. After heterolysis, after heterolysis, one atom has sextate electronic. Sextate का मतलब होता है 6. So one atom has a sextate electronic structure and a positive charge on the other one. A valence octet with at least one lone pair and a negative charge. Clear? Here again I am repeating. So whenever fission of covalent bond will take place, so normally what will happen? Here either heterolytic or homolytic cleavage will be there. In heterolytic cleavage, the bond breaks in such a fashion that shared pair of electron remain with one of the fragment. Clear? After heterolysis, one atom has a sextate electronic structure and positive charge, another a valence octet with at least one lone pair and we can say that negative charge. मतलब whenever bond will break, here distribution of positive and negative charge will take place. Now in same topic, fission of covalent bond. So whenever fission of covalent bond will take place, so normally carbon is related with respect to some charge. Clear? In heterolytic cleavage of bromomethane, this is bromomethane, will give CH3 plus and Br minus as shown below. देखो यहाँ पे कार्बन पे प्लस Br minus. A species having carbon atom possessing sextate of electron, sextate मतलब 6, sextate of electron and positive charge is known as carbocation. This is normally known as carbocation. ये क्या है? So this one is carbocation. Clear? Now earlier it is known as carbonium ion. The CH3 plus is known as methyl cation or carbonium ion. So CH3 plus is nothing but it is normally known as methyl cation or carbonium ion. Clear? So now carbocations are classified as 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree depending on whether 1, 2, 3 carbons are directly attached. 1, 2, 3 carbons are, here we can say that directly attached. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Here means carbon. In case of carbon 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, है ना? तो carbocations are further divided into 3 parts. Here means 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. प्लस है, H है, H. तो CH3 is there. इसको बोलते हैं 1 degree. प्लस है CH3. So this is 2 degree. Then फिर से प्लस है CH3, CH3, CH3. ये आपका क्या आ जाएगा? 3 degree. Clear? मतलब कार्बन रिलेटेड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू प्लस चार्ज. Suppose it is associated with 1 carbon, so 1 degree, 2 carbon, so 2 degree, 3 carbon, so 3 degree. Clear? So carbocations are classified as 1, 2, 3 depending on whether 1, 2, 3 carbons are directly attached. Clear? So now carbocations are highly unstable and reactive species. The carbocations are highly unstable and reactive species. The alkyl groups directly attached to positive charge. Alkyl groups directly attached to positive charge carbon stabilize the carbocation due to the inductive and hyperconjugation effect. Due to the inductive, here we can say that inductive and hyperconjugation. So this is hyperconjugation effect. Inductive as well as we can say that hyperconjugation effect. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Inductive as well as we can say that here means hyperconjugation effect. Clear? चलो अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? तो now stability order of carbocation will be 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree and CH3 plus is there. So stability order in case of carbocation will be 3 degree, 2 degree and then after 1 degree will be there. This is stability order. So these carbocation have trigonal planar shape. ये जो है ना C, इसका shape कैसा होता है? तो this is trigonal planar shape is there and positively charged carbon being hybridization will be sp2 hybridized. The shape of CH3 plus may be considered as being derived from the overlap of 3 equivalent sp2 hybridized orbital with 1 s orbital of each 3 hydrogen atom. Each bond may be represented as C में sp2 and hydrogen is 1s sigma bond. The remaining carbon orbital is perpendicular to the molecular plane. Perpendicular to the molecular plane and contains no electron. Here we can say that contain no electron is there. Clear? In heterolytic cleavage can also give a species in which carbon gets the shared pair of electron. Shared pair of electron. For example, when group Z attached to the carbon leaves without electron pair and the methyl anion is formed, such a carbon atom is known as carbanion. Clear? So whenever we can say that carbon is related with respect to plus charge, तो उसको carbocation बोलते हैं, and carbon is related with respect to minus charge, so this is carbanions are there. So carbanions are also unstable and reactive species. So carbanions are also unstable and reactive species. Clear? Carbanions are also unstable and reactive species. The organic reaction which proceed through heterolytic bond cleavage are known as ionic or heteropolar or just polar reaction. Just polar reaction. Clear? So this is complete information of, here we can say that carbocation as well as carbanion. In case of C, whenever bond will break, so two different type of charges are there. One we can say that positive and second one we can say that negative. In case of carbon, if positive charge to carbocation, negative charge to carbanion will be there. So this is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Clear? Here shape will be trigonal planar and hybridization will be sp2. Hybridization will be sp2. So this is complete information of, we can say that, heterolytic fission. And in case of heterolytic fission, here what will happen? Here sextate electron will come. So how sextate electron will come? See 1, 2, 1, 2. Similarly 1, 2 is there. So here shape will be trigonal planar. So here shape will be trigonal planar and hybridization will be sp2. Clear? Now we will discuss here homolytic cleavage. Here one of the electron shared pair of covalent bond goes with each of the bonded atom. Here one of the electron shared pair of covalent bond goes with each of the bonded atom. Thus in homolytic cleavage, the movement of single electron take place instead of an electron pair. In case of homolytic fission or cleavage, the movement of single electron take place instead of an electron pair. The single electron movement is shown by half-headed fish hook, here a fish hook, curved arrow, half-headed, or we can say fish hook curved arrow. So such cleavage result in the formation of neutral species, atom or group, which contain an unpaired electron. So these are known as free radical. Clear? If carbon is related with respect to, here we can say the dot. So this one is normally known as free radical. It is also highly reactive. जैसे कार्बोकेटायन एंड कार्बन आयन आपका रिएक्टिव होता है, ऐसे फ्री रेडिकल इज ऑल्सो हाईली रिएक्टिव. हियर स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल इज CH3, मतलब 1 डिग्री CH3 डॉट आएगा, फिर 1 डिग्री 2 डिग्री 3 डिग्री. मतलब स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर of free radical, as well as we can say that here stability order of free radical, as well as we can say that here means C carbocation. Stability order of free radical as well as here means carbocation will remain same, but carbon ions are different. Clear? So organic reaction which proceed by homolytic fission are known as free radical or homopolar or non-polar. Free radical or homopolar or non-polar reaction. Organic reaction which proceed by homolytic fission are known as free radical or homopolar or non-polar reaction. Clear? In this way we can say that in organic compound, in this way we can say that in case of organic compound, see, so this one is organic compound. तो whenever bond will break, तो here कार्बन पे प्लस आएगा और माइनस आएगा और फ्री रेडिकल विल कम. तो कार्बन पे प्लस आता है, तो दिस इज नॉट नोन एज कार्बोकेटायन, कार्बन आयन एंड फ्री रेडिकल. तो 1 डिग्री 2 डिग्री 3 डिग्री इसमें सेम ही होगा, बट स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर है ना, स्टेबिलिटी ऑर्डर of carbocation and free radical will remain same, while stability order of carbon ions are different. Stability order of carbon ions are different. Clear? And see, this is shape of the methyl cation. This will be shape of the methyl cation. देखो यहाँ पे 3 हाइड्रोजन है, ये वेज है और ये डैश है, and here is p orbital is again we can say that in perpendicular with respect to x axis. Clear? मतलब कभी भी कोई बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है तो whenever we can say that cleavage of bond will be there, whenever cleavage of bond will be there, तो carbon is related with respect to either positive charge, negative charge, or we can say that here is dot. तो dot को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? free radical. तो this is carbocation, carbon ion, free radical. And here stability order of carbocation and free radical will remain same, and stability order of carbon ion is different as compared to carbocation and free radical. Clear? So this is complete information. Huh?